Hello everybody, Namaste. I'm Anushka and today we'll be discussing about scopes of different fields of civil engineering. I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science with specialization in data science. Today we'll be discussing about what is engineering, what is civil engineering and scopes of civil engineering. What is engineering? Engineering is a term applied to the profession in which a knowledge of the mathematical and natural sciences gained by study, experience, and practice is applied to the efficient use of the material and forces of nature. Engineering is basically the study for the mankind in which the mathematical and natural sciences, the knowledge gained from this is applied to the materials and forces of nature available. Coming to what is civil engineering. Civil engineering is the oldest, broadest and simple of various engineering fields. It is mainly related to planning, analysis, design, construction and maintenance of buildings, roads, bridges, dams, tunnels and other structures by the use of physical laws and mathematical equation and theory of mechanics. Let's discuss about scopes of different fields of civil engineering. We have surveying, structural engineering, geotechnical engineering, hydraulics or water resources, transportation engineering, environmental engineering, construction planning and project management, earthquake engineering, remote sensing and GIS. Let's look into each one in detail. Coming to surveying, what exactly is it? It is the science and art of map making. It mainly deals with various types of measurement and plotting of maps and plans. To start any development or construction in an activity, we require the relative position of various objects in horizontal and vertical direction. This can be done by surveying the area. Unless maps are drawn, we will not be able to go about with any development or construction work. Earlier, we had some traditional tools like or instruments like chain, tapes, leveling instrument. But with development in technology, we have modern instruments like distance meter, total station, theodolites, which are also used. Due to development in modern technologies, we have something known as photogrammetry and remote sensing, that is GPS, which has made surveying quite easy. Now we have different types of surveying. There are two types of surveying. Number one, plane surveying, and number two, geodetic surveying. Plane surveying is a type of surveying in which the effect of the curvature of the Earth's surface is not taken into account. The plane surveying is adopted only for small area, about 260 square kilometers, and the degree of accuracy of plane surveying is relatively low. Now coming to geodetic surveying, in geodetic surveying the curvature of the earth's surface is taken into account. It is carried out for large distances in area and has high degree of precision. In India, Survey of India, a government department, undertakes the work of geodetic surveying. Coming to the next scope, that is geotechnical engineering. What exactly is it? It is the study of soil, its type of soil and their properties. Basically, the soil properties changes from place to place, depth, that is from layer to layer in the same place, and even with season to season. For any building, bridge, dam, retaining walls, etc., a component known as foundation needs to be constructed. Foundation is laid certain layer below the earth's surface till a hard layer is reached. In order to analyze whether the soil can take the load of these superstructures such as bridges, dam, etc., geotechnical engineers are required. The study dealing with the properties and behavior of soil under loads and changes in environmental condition is called geotechnical engineering. Proper geotechnical engineering is essential for the safe and secure structure as they analyze the soil to determine its sustainability to support extreme loads. Coming to certain uses of geotechnical engineering, we have design of earthen dams for storage of water, for design of underground structures such as tunnels, shafts, conducts, for design of roads for transportation facilities, and so on. Coming to the another scope of civil engineering, we have structural engineering. They basically deal with analysis and design. What exactly is this analysis? Analysis is basically determining or assessing the internal forces or stresses which is developed in the constructional component when the load is applied. These structural components could be beam, column, etc. Now coming to what is design? Design is fixing or finding the suitable dimension, that is the length, depth and width of structural components of any structures using various methods is called design. Coming to uses of structural engineering, we have analysis and design of dams, bridges, stadiums, auditoriums, multi-storied buildings. Then we have analysis of design of power generation station, analysis and design of steel industrial structures, and design of nuclear power plants. Now let us understand about construction planning and project management. Construction planning. It basically deals with different types of construction of structures like building, roads, bridges, etc. Construction of underground tunnels using modern equipments as well as construction of floating structures. In earlier days, we had manpower which was utilized for construction. But with development of new technology, that is manufacturing of new machineries like cranes to lift weight, painting machines, plastering machines, and so on, the process of construction has become easier and faster. It mainly includes with excavation of soil, construction of foundation, concreting, and other different techniques and methods. Now coming to project management, it is basically planning of construction equipments and machinery for construction projects. Deals with planning, scheduling, execution of construction activities related to the project. And it basically consists of men, material, time and money management. It emphasizes on new construction practices such as pre-cast construction, pre-stress constructions, safety of men and material, utilization of marginal materials, and so on. Now coming to fluid mechanics, hydraulics, water resources and irrigation engineering. Let's talk about hydraulics. As we know that water is very important as it is the basic need of all human beings. It mainly deals with study of mechanics of water and its flow characteristics like pipe flows, open channel flows, dam, irrigation, hydropower. Its applications are to design the hydropower system, to determine the fluid properties such as density, vapor pressure, so on, and to design the pipes and gates. Coming to water resources and irrigation engineering, it deals with tapping of storage of water and supplying water to the agricultural field for crop cultivation, for drinking purposes, and other domestic and industrial uses. Hence, suitable water resources are identified and it is stored. It involves identifying, planning, building water retaining structures like dam, tanks, and carrying stored water to the needy area is known as water resource engineering. Now coming to irrigation, what is irrigation? It is basically artificial supply of water to crops by different methods like drip, sprinkler irrigation, etc. The important basic needs that is water and food are taken care by in irrigation engineering directly or indirectly. Coming to its application, we have all the application listed here, such as design of pumps and turbines to measure the discharge of water in rivers for design of bridges, design of hydroelectric power plants for generation of electricity, design of water supply system for the cities and industries, and so on. Now coming to transportation engineering. It plays a very important role in economic development of our country as it deals with study of existing transportation system and their improvement for the safe drive. It mainly includes design and construction and management of roads, railways, navigation and air routes. The various modes of transportation which is available are roadways, railways, airways and waterways. Traffic management including the traffic signal, number of lanes, width of the road, parking facilities and curves are also a part of transportation engineering. Coming to scopes of transportation engineering, we have design of traffic signals for control of traffic. It involves planning, design, construction, operation and maintenance of transportation facilities, planning and design of airstrips, runways, roads, harbors and railways, maintenance and upgradation of harbors, airports, railway system based on the requirements. Coming to environmental engineering, which includes water supply and sanitary engineering, it is one of the most important branch of civil engineering which covers both water supply and sanitary engineering. The importance of clean environment was felt with the rapid growth in population and growth in urbanization and industries. The science of civil engineering deals with the subject of tapping water from different sources, testing its quality, purification processes, and distribution of water to the consumer. Similarly, the environmental engineering comprises the subject of treatment of wastes which originate from different sources and deals with the removal of harmful substances in these wastes by using different processes. The impact of waste originating from industry is felt by the living organism if such toxic contents are still present in the waste. So the central government as well as state government have enacted laws for protection of the environment which is needed for the safety of living and for human beings. Coming to its application, it involves collection of water, purification and supply for drinking, waste water collection, treatment and disposal, air pollution, solid waste management and control, e-waste management, control and treatment, and construction of waste management and control. Coming to remote sensing and GIS, this is one of the new fields. The improvement in space technology, availability of GPS enhanced the scope of geographic information system. GPS is global positioning system. GIS is a high-tech equivalent of map. It represents a means to locate yourselves in relation to the world around us. It deals with measurement, mapping, monitoring, and modeling of geographic information around us. Coming to earthquake engineering, an earthquake is a sudden or rapid shaking of the ground due to passage of vibrations. The study or the scientific study of earthquake is called as seismology. Earthquakes are measured using observation from seismometers. Seismic waves are recorded on instruments called seismographs. The time, location and magnitude of an earthquake can be determined from the data recorded by seismograph stations. Coming to earthquake with magnitude of 2 or less are actually called micro earthquakes, are generally recorded only on local seismographs. Events with magnitudes about 4.5 or greater are stronger enough to be recorded by sensitive seismograph all over the world. Greater earthquakes have magnitude of 8 or higher. Conclusion. Civil engineering consists of various fields with distinct scope and responsibilities. Various scopes contribute in construction, design, planning, and analysis of diverse structures. The roof on top of our heads is due to civil engineers. The sound sleep that we get in our house, which we make home, is due to civil engineers. We would like to take a moment and thank them. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I hope my video was informational. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and do comment down below if you feel so, and please subscribe to my channel for more informational content. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.